Hi everybody, Elizabeth Cullen from CNY Physical Therapy and Aquatics. Today I'm going to be showing you some additional releases that you can do to work on your head and neck. When we're doing these, just like with the other videos that I showed you earlier, keep these nice and gentle. You're not trying to use crazy pressure or anything. The lighter the pressure, the better. Usually what I recommend is, when you think you're going really light, lighten up even more. And that's kind of how you want to do this. You can do all of these exercises either sitting or lying down, whichever is more comfortable for you. So the first one we're going to do is going to help to relax the muscles in through the top of your head and in through your chest. So what you're going to do, take one hand and you put it on your shoulder. The other hand's going to just rest gently on the top of your head. You're going to take a nice deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. And just relax your hands and relax your body. You want to feel your body kind of sink down into whatever surface you're sitting on. You want to feel your hands sink down into your head and shoulder. And feel free to close your eyes when you're doing this. And just let your body sink down in, nice and relaxed. Now this one is one that you don't necessarily have to do on the other side. You're going to get the relaxation effects regardless of which hand is on your head and which hand is on your shoulder. But if you're feeling some tension in through the opposite shoulder once you finish this side up, you absolutely can go ahead and switch over to the other side. While you're doing this, you also may find that your head wants to move in a direction, or your shoulders want to round or something like that. That's perfectly fine as well. Let your body do whatever you want. Don't try to force a motion, but don't fight it if it happens. Okay. So the next release that we're going to do is going to work on the neck muscles that run in through here. So what you're going to do is you're going to place one hand on your collarbone and your opposite hand on your jaw, basically right in through here. And what we're doing is we're trying to separate our hands, but we're not doing it forcefully or aggressively. We're just kind of letting our hands sink in. My hand's sinking into my jaw, my hand's sinking into my chest, and I'm just kind of stretching it out. Now my fingers are on my sternum, but my thumb and hand is on my collarbone, and that's the part that's applying the downward force. So just like with some of the other exercises that I showed you last time, you're just letting your hand kind of slide down. You're not sliding it on the skin itself, you're just letting it drag down the tissue underneath. And I can feel this all the way in through here. You also feel it often behind your ear and up and underneath your jaw, like right in through here as well. And again, we hang out here for about 5 minutes. After you do this, you switch your hands around. And now I find it easiest if I take my hand and I cross it over and put it on my face, but if for some reason that doesn't work for you, you can absolutely do it like this. Okay. Now the last technique I'm going to show you today is going to be an ear pull. So it sounds kind of silly, but basically what you're trying to do is you're trying to loop your hand in right in through here, and you're pulling not straight sideways and not straight backwards, but kind of in an angle in between. So I'm going to turn my chair just a little bit so you can see. So again, I'm grabbing right in through here. Okay. So I have a solid pressure. I usually use my index finger inside my ear and my thumb behind it. And then I'm not pulling straight towards the camera or straight back behind me. It's an angle in between. Now to increase the control of this, you can place your other hand on the side of your face. But you don't have to. Now this will help significantly to release all the tension around the ear, and through your head, jaw pain, headaches as well, a lot of different things that this can work on. But basically just nice and gentle pressure, and you're pulling back at a 45-degree angle. And then again, you'll do this one on the other side as well. I find this one helps quite a bit with stressful situations. I have a tendency when I get stressed to kind of scrunch my whole head together, and this really takes a lot of that pressure off. So I hope you guys find it helpful as well. If you have any other questions or anything like that, feel free to send me an email. You can reach me at cnypt.liz. Otherwise, have a great day.